Running an e-commerce store and not showing whether you should use Meta ads or Google ads? Choosing the wrong one could waste you thousands of dollars or slow down your growth to a crawl. In this video, I'm going to show you when to use each one and how to combine them to grow profitably no matter what stage you're at with your e-commerce store. Let's dive in. Okay guys, let's start with a simple breakdown. Meta first. This includes Facebook and Instagram. These platforms run on interruption-based marketing. People aren't searching for your product, they're scrolling. So your job? Interrupt the scroll in a way that feels natural, helpful, or even fun. Now, Google Ads works completely differently. Instead of interrupting a scroll, you're showing your ads right when they're searching for exactly what you're selling. This is what we call intent-based marketing. And when done right, it's one of the most powerful tools that an e-com brand can use. So when should you use these two platforms? Let's start with Meta. Meta ads are most effective when you want to launch a new product that people haven't seen before, get your brand in front of people that have never heard of you, quickly test different hooks, messages, and creatives, or trigger those impulse buys with strong visuals and storytelling. In short, Meta is where you manufacture demand, not fulfill it. And here's something that most beginners don't hear enough. Meta is a creative-first platform. If your ad looks like an ad, you've already lost. People scroll right past it. Your CPMs go up, click-through rate tanks, and suddenly you think that Meta doesn't work, when really your ad didn't earn attention. So what makes a great Meta ad? Let's break it down. First, it stops the scroll. That means bold movement, a weird visual, or something that hits emotionally right away. If it doesn't grab attention in the first second, it's gone. Second, it sparks curiosity or connection. The viewer should instantly think, wait, is this for me? Is this solving a problem that I've actually had? That moment of personal relevance is everything. Third, they deliver value fast. Show the transformation, hit the benefit, make the viewer feel, okay, this actually works. That's the difference between someone swiping past your ad and someone clicking, buying, and sharing it. Let's say that you're selling a self-cleaning dog brush. You're running a video ad, first shot, someone outside brushing their golden retriever. Fur is flying everywhere, all over their clothes, all over their backyard. And then boom, next clip, a different brush removes the fur with zero mess. The viewer thinks, that's a real problem that I have. And this brush actually works. Now they want it. That's Meta, and we've created demand in 5 seconds. Now, Google. This is a whole different story. People go to Google with a purpose. They're actively searching to solve a problem, compare options, or make a purchase. They type things like, best sandals for plantar fasciitis, buy dog bed orthopedic XL. Waterproof backpack for laptop. If your product fits and your ads show up, you're halfway there to the sale. Now, let's look at the different ways that an e-com store can show up on Google. First, search ads. These are the text ads that show up at the top when someone searches with a keyword. They catch people that are ready to buy. Next, we have shopping ads. They show your product image, price, and store right there in the search results. Third, we have Performance Max. These are smart campaigns that run across Google, YouTube, Gmail, and more. They use automation to try to find the best places to show your ads. So when is Google Ads a right fit? It's ideal if you're selling something that solves a clear problem or meets a strong desire, if people are already searching for your keywords, or if you found a product to market fit and you want to scale profitably. Here's a pro tip. If people are already Googling what you have to sell, don't waste time on trying to build awareness on Meta first. Capture that demand immediately with Google, because if you're not there, your competitor is. Now, let's break this down by store stage, so you know where to start and how to grow. Meta is where you create demand. It's fast, it's creative, and it's perfect for testing. You can try different hooks, different angles, and different audiences. You can also figure out what actually makes people stop, click, and buy. You're not waiting for people to search. You're putting your product in front of them and making them want it. And here's the part most people miss. The insights that you get from Meta. What headlines work? What visuals convert? That's gold. You use that to strengthen your Google ads. Better product titles, better ad copy, better results. Now, once people start searching your brand or your product type on Google, that's when you move in. Google scoops up all that high intent traffic. These are people comparing, deciding, and ready to buy. They're typing stuff like best running shoes or Nike running shoes reviews. And if you're there with a clear offer and strong positioning, they convert. And then there's retargeting across both platforms. On Meta, you bring people back with user-generated content, testimonials, and urgency-driven content. On Google, you can let Performance Max do the heavy lifting. It follows your visitors across search, YouTube, Gmail, and more. You can also set up these campaigns to get more optimization by setting up search campaigns, display campaigns, and YouTube campaigns for your e-commerce store. We actually teach this in the KeyCommerce Academy, our community built just for store owners. Every week we jump on live calls, help you fix issues with your funnel, help you optimize your campaigns and scale profitably. We also have courses in there and a great community. I'll leave a link down below, go and check it out. Now let's get back to how all of this connects. Meta is your creative lab, your demand builder. Google is your intent catcher. Okay, let's say that you're selling orthopedic dog beds. Use Meta to show happy dogs sleeping comfortably, or lifestyle videos with pet owners. And use Google to capture the searches like best dog bed for older dogs or memory foam dog bed. This combo works incredibly well. Meta brings in new customers, Google captures the ones ready to buy. Guys, here's my final thought. Don't chase the best platform. Focus on getting your product, message, and marketing system right first. Then grow your ads together on both Meta and Google. That's when things really start to work. If you've stuck between deciding on Meta or Google, I really hope this helped and give you a roadmap that you can follow. If you want to go deeper into the Google Ads side of things, we've got a free Google Shopping course and we've got a free Performance Max course. I'll leave a link down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.